So hi guys, let's have a quick recap of the seventh program. So for the seventh program, we'll be opening the Ubuntu. A lot of you guys might have the doubt that in exam where will we do it? Try using VMware Workstation or any other Linux workstation. It's all the same. It will have the same commands. So any Linux is fine. Here we are using Ubuntu. There also they would have installed and kept Ubuntu in the VMware Workstation. So do it there. So first what we'll be doing for seventh program is sudo add user, give your username. So after that, if there is if you are doing it for the first time, it will ask you to set the password. Since it is my second time doing this, it is asking me password for my initial username, and then after I give this, it will add the user as Skylove. After that, new password for this user. You can give it as the same as the other user, or you can give it any new, but make sure you can remember it. After that, after you give your password, it will ask to retype it. After you have retyped it, uh, click enter. You will get these information. Don't have to do anything, just click enter until you get this prompt asking if the information is correct. Give it as y, meaning yes, and then your user will be added. After this, we will be generating the key. So ssh keygen is the command. Once you have given this command, if you have already done it, it will ask, do you want to overwrite? Give it as yes. After you are overwritten the key generation, it will give you a new key, and it will ask to enter some passphrase or anything. You don't have to give anything, just click enter, and just click enter until you get something like this. After that is done, we will now be installing Ansible. So first we'll be updating the packages. So for it, sudo apt update. After sudo apt update is done, it will update all the packages. After that is done, we will be installing Ansible by the command sudo apt install ansible -y. After since this is not my first time doing it, it is like this, otherwise it might take time. After Ansible is successfully installed, check the version of Ansible by giving the command ansible space minus version. It will give you the version of the Ansible that has been downloaded and installed. After this is done, we will now be creating a inventory file. The command for creating the inventory file is vi space inventory.ini. once we create the inventory file Once we create the inventory file, you will get a blank inventory file. In that, what you'll have to type is, you'll have to type the I'll just show you what it is in the inventory file right now. So you'll have to type this one line there, localhost space ansible connection is equals to local. You will first be getting a blank one. Type this and then click on escape to save it, and then type :wq to come back to the terminal. After you have come back to the terminal, you will now be executing the inventory file. The command for executing the inventory file is ansible inventory -i space inventory.ini space minus list. So after you have done this, you can see that there is a inventory file which has been shown to you. This is an extra thing, these two are extra things, this will be here only. After this is done, we will now be inventory file. After the execution, we will be checking the ping for inventory file. So the command is ansible all -i inventory.ini -m ping. After this is done, you will see that the ping is successful. Then we will be creating a playbook. So the syntax is nano space playbook name.yml. So I've given a playbook like basic playbook.yml. So first, if you open this, you will be getting a empty yml file. What you'll have to do is, you'll have to type in this code. You can type in a small code to display a message. So this is the code. After you are done typing it, uh, click on Ctrl O to save it, enter, and then click on Ctrl X to come back to the terminal. After you are back to the terminal, give the command as ansible -playbook space -i inventory.ini space playbook name.yml. Give this command to execute the playbook file. You can see that the playbook file has been executed. After this is done, go back to the playbook file by giving the same command nano playbook.yml, and in that change the code to this one. So what we'll be doing here is we'll be creating a directory called as my text directory. This should be directory. Create a directory, localhost, create the my test directory. After you have typed this in the playbook file, again control O to save it, enter, control X to come back to the terminal, and then give the same command as before to execute the playbook file. You can see that there are changes that have been made. So after this is done, we will now be seeing if the my test directory has been created or not. So for that, since we had created in a tmp path, so we will be listing all the folders or files in the tmp path. You can see that there is something called my test directory here. So this concludes your 7th program. Quick recap of 8th program, where we'll be actually doing properly. uh, So the first thing you'll have to do is check if the Java has been installed or not. If not, install it. After that is done, update your packages using the command sudo apt update. After updates are done, install Jenkins, sudo apt install Jenkins space -y. After it is downloaded, start Jenkins by giving the command sudo systemctl start Jenkins, and then check the status of Jenkins. It should look something like this. It should be loaded and actively running. After Jenkins has been actively running, we will now be installing Firefox. So sudo apt install Firefox. If it is not there, if there is any other browser in your Linux OS where you can access the internet, you can use that. No need to check in Firefox. But since we are doing it here, we can install Firefox and do it. So sudo apt install Firefox. After Firefox is installed, install snap for working with Firefox. So sudo snap install Firefox. After this is done, we will be opening the Firefox. So you can see that Firefox will be opened and you will be having something like this first. So what you'll have to do is in this type http / localhost /8080 8080, which will take you to the Jenkins sign in page. So for the Jenkins sign in page, if we are doing it for the first time, you guys know that you will be having the path for the initial admin password. Copy it and paste it in the terminal using the command sudo space cat space the thing. So this is the command that you'll have to put in the terminal, and you will get the password, which would in my case is this. So I'll be copying this, going back and putting it down here, and the username, since we'll be updating as admin, I will be clicking on signing. It will take me to the installed dashboard. So once you are in dashboard, first go to manage Jenkins. In manage Jenkins, go to plugins. In plugins, in available plugins, search for two plugins: Maven integration plugin and SSH agent plugin. Since I've already installed, I'll show you here. Maven integration plugin, and also SSH agent plugin. Both the plugins are now installed and enabled. Go back to your dashboard, new item, create a freestyle project, give any name which you want to, okay. Now after you have created your item, you will see something like this. So first what you will have to do is go to source code management, change it to git. After this you will get something like this. Go to your GitHub, in sign in and go to the repository where you have stored all your programs or pom.xml files. From code, copy the URL of it, come back, paste the repository URL here. Once this is done, scroll down and change the branch specifier to main. Change the branch specifier from master to main. After this is done, apply, and then come down to build steps. In build step, add build step, invoke top level Maven targets. In goals, give it as clean package. Once clean package has been given, apply and save. You will get something like this. Click on build now. You will get the build progress status here. Once it has been completed, you will get a small tick mark in green color. As you can see, just click on the tick mark and it will take you to the console output. So now we have successfully created and executed a project named Glossman. Now what you'll have to do is come back to your terminal, and then give the command as to install Maven. So sudo apt install Maven. Once Maven has been installed, check the version mvn space space minus minus version. After it has been successfully downloaded and shows you the version, create a project in Maven, for which you will, this is the command. So it's mvn space archetype generate group id, any group id, artifact id, any artifact id, and then archetype group id, organization.apache.maven.archetypes, and then archetype artifact id is maven archetype quick start. Then version is 1.4, interactive mode false. Once you give this command, this is the only difficult command or the lengthy command I can say. Once you give this command, it will build the Maven project and give you as build success. Once this is done, whatever group id you have given here, sorry, artifact id you have given here, which is demo3, change to that directory. So cd demo3, you will now be in the demo3 directory. Type in ls to check if the pom.xml file is there or not. If it is there, well and good. Open the pom.xml file. So when you open the pom.xml file, uh, when you open the pom.xml file, you will see something like the pom xml files um, structure. In that, in properties, check for the version. If it is below the version of 8, your program will not work. If it is 1.7 or 7, change it to 1.8 or 8. After this is done, now come back to your terminal. To come back, press Ctrl O to save and then enter, and then Ctrl X to come back. After coming back, type ls again. You will be seeing that pom xml is there. Now what you'll have to do is build the Maven project. So you will be giving the command as mvn space package. After giving this, you will see that the package has been successfully built. Now we have to find out the jar file for this thing. So give the command as ls space target slash star dot jar. Once this jar is done, you'll get the jar file. To get the exact path of this, give the command as readlink minus f target slash star dot jar. You will get the complete path. Copy and keep this somewhere. Now go back to your original directory. After you are there, now create a playbook file. The playbook file can be anything. The playbook name can be anything. I have given here deploy rt.yml. Once you are in the playbook file, so once you are in the playbook file, you will get some blank empty playbook file. Type in this code. So for this code, I have already explained what it is. Just go through it once. So we will be copying the jar to deployment folder. This is the source path, whatever you had copied and kept, and this is the destination path. Make sure the slash exists before the starting word. After this is done, save it. Control O, enter, Control X, come back, and then you will be and then you will be executing this one. So for executing this, the command is Ansible Playbook deploy rt yml minus minus ask become pass, because we had given there become is equals to true. We will have to give this. Once this is given, you can see it will ask you for the password, and after the password is successfully given, it will give the output of the playbook. So it will show that something has been changed. So once this is done, you just have to get this okay. Once this is done, your eighth program is done.